It is being described that the Supreme Lord is the cause of all causes, and this is a significant point as stated in the purport. Therefore the chief engineer of the material creation is the Lord Himself. So the material creation has not come into existence on its own, but there is a hand behind it, and that is the hand of the Supreme Lord. And this is confirmed in the Bhagavad Gita, Maya Dakshina Prakriti Suyate Sa Chara Charam, that this material manifestation, Prakriti, is working under my direction. So the same point is being confirmed over here, that the Supreme Lord is the director, and the material manifestation comes into existence because of His touch. In the Bhagavad Gita, Prabhupada gives the example of a father injecting the child into the womb of the mother. So similarly, the Supreme Lord, He also injects, but His process of injection is not physical. His process of injection is, He just glances over it. By His glancing, it comes into existence. Just like there may be a flower with a beautiful fragrance. How do you touch the fragrance? You touch the fragrance of the flower just by smelling the flower. So just like that, the Supreme Lord just glances over this material manifestation, and this Prakriti comes into existence. So those who are fond of knowledge, they think that the creation has come into existence on its own. But in reality, as the revealed scriptures confirm, the Supreme Lord is the cause of all causes. And one who understands that the Supreme Lord is the cause of all causes, he also understands then it means that the Supreme Lord is a real enjoyer. Then he also understands that the Supreme Lord is a real well-wisher of everyone. Krishna consciousness means understanding Krishna is the cause of all causes. Krishna is the real proprietor and enjoyer, and Krishna is the well-wisher. This is the problem in society today. We do not recognize that the Supreme Lord is a real well-wisher. So the Supreme Lord is a well-wisher, and the material nature is working under His direction. And the material nature is working under His direction, in which the living entities are all taking birth according to the karma that they perform.